Hi everyone, I am Srikanth. We are discussing programming in C language. The topic is about basics of C programming language. The agenda of this session is about the difference between local variable and global variable. Simply local variable versus global variable with a suitable examples. Local variable, the scope of the local variable, it is declared inside a function. The scope of the global variable, it is declared outside the function. The local variable value, if it is not initialized, by default a garbage value is stored. But if you go with the next high level programming languages, the local variables must be initialized, otherwise we may get compile time errors. The value of the global variable, if it is not initialized, 0 is stored as default. Local variable lifetime, it is created when the function starts execution and lost when the function terminates. Global variable lifetime, it is created before the program's global execution starts and lost when the program terminates. Local variable data sharing, data sharing is not possible as data of the local variable can be accessed by only one function. Only within a function, the scope of the variable, within the function only we can access local variables. Outside of the function, not possible. We cannot share data outside of the functions of local variables. But the global variable data sharing is possible as multiple functions can access the same global variable. Why? Because the global variables are declared outside of the function, that is the scope of that variable is available multiple functions and blocks. That is advantage for using what? Global variables. The parameters of local variables, the parameters passing is required for local variables to access the value in other functions. Global variable parameters, the parameters passing is not necessary for a global variable as it is visible throughout the program. The local variable modifications are modifications of variable value. When the value of the local variable is modified in one function, the changes are not visible in another function. Why? Because every time the local variables are recreates. Due to that reason, we cannot, whatever the changes happen within a function body, that is not reflected to what? Another functionality. The modifications of global variable, when the value of the global variable is modified in one function, changes are visible in the rest of the program. Local variable accessed, local variables can be accessed with the help of statements inside a function in which they are declared. Accessed by global variables can be accessed any statement in the program. Local variable memory storage, it is stored on the stack memory unless specified. Memory storage of global variable, it is stored on a fixed location decided by the compiler. See, this is a major difference between what? Local variable and global variable. Some differences also will discuss with the tabular format, like local variable versus global variable. The scope of the variable is within a function, within a block inside which they are declared. Those are all local variables. The scope of the variable all available within a block only or within a function only. We cannot access and we cannot use this outside of the block or outside of the function of the local variables. The scope of the variable is throughout the program. The global variable scope is we can access throughout the program, even multiple files also. Local variables are declared inside a function or block. Global variables are declared outside of any function. Uninitialized local variable result in storage of the garbage value. But in case of global variables, uninitialized global variable stores 0 by default value, accessed only by the statement inside a function in which they are declared. Global variable accessed by any statement in the entire program. Data sharing is not possible in local variables, but data sharing is facilitated in global variables. Life of the local variable is created when the function block is entered and destroyed upon the exit. But in case of global variable, life of the global variable is remain in existence for the entire time program is executing. Local variables are stored on the stack unless the specified. Global variables are stored on a fixed location decided by a compiler. Parameter passing is necessarily required in local variables. Parameter passing is not required for global variables. Any modification implied in a local variable does not affect the other functions of the program. The changes applied in the global variables of a function reflect the changes in the whole or entire program. This is example. I declared here block. Within a block, open and curly braces, I declared and initialized, declared, defined and initialized a value int a equals to 10. A is a local variable. The scope of the variable we can access only within the block. We cannot access outside of the block. And also I given another example like void function 1. Here I taken one function 1 functionality. Within that I declared, defined and initialized the local variable int b is equals to 20. The value and b can access only within the function 1. We cannot access outside of the function. These type of variables are called local variables. But in case of global variables, I declared here int a equals to 10. This a is the global variable. Why? Because I declared, defined and initialized outside of the block, outside of the function. The a can access multiple blocks and functions within a program. If we used extern keyword, we may also access this a variable across multiple C files. We can also access multiple C files and reuse this a variable. Here a behaves like a global variable throughout the program. So these are all the major differences between local variables and a global variable. So in this session we discussed in detail about the differences between local and global variables. In the previous video session I explained in detail what is local variable, what is global variable, what is static variable, what is automatic variables, what is extern variable with suitable examples, like types of variable with suitable examples. So in this session we had discussed in detail the what are the major differences between what local variable and global variable. See, local variables always declared within a block or function. The scope of that variable can access only within a block or within a function. We cannot access outside of the block or function. Such type of variables are called local variables. Global variables means the variables are declared, defined and initialized outside of the block or function. The scope of that variable can access throughout the program across multiple functions and files. That is the difference between local and global variables. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you all.